Subway and I got some jalapeno chips. I don't see they're spicy. Jalapeno, so. Where's the heat at? There's no heat. Like, they are very crunchy though, and it tastes pretty good. Yeah, okay. The reason why I'm making a weird face. Hold up. The reason why I'm making a weird face is because that I have like a bump in my mouth, and it burns if you put anything like salty on it, and it burns. Oh, it's delicious. Yeah, it's just meat and chips. Meat and chips too. No ASMR or anything. I may actually post an ASMR, I don't know. Other than that. Oh, what about Marco's? Marco's Pizza! Marco's Pizza! Pretty good. Pretty good. They also have a Chinese place right there, like somewhere right there. I don't know which one y'all can. No, Yummy Cuisine. That's right. But, yeah, guys, so that is all. See you in the next episode.